Ashley, and today I'm going to teach you how to restring your guitar strings. So in order to do this, you are going to need a new set of strings and two tools that make the job a lot easier are a peg winder and wire cutters. There's a few good indicators of when it's time to change your strings. The first one is the most obvious. If your string breaks, you gotta change it. The other one is if you notice your strings changing color a little bit and getting rusty, or they might even make your fingers rusty, then it's probably time to change them. We're gonna go about changing our strings one at a time. This way we keep all the same tension in the guitar neck, and so that we can keep track of the order of the pegs. We're gonna start with the low E string. We're going to begin by loosening the low E string enough so that we can take the peg out. And if you have a hard time taking the peg out with your hand, the end of a lot of peg winders have a spot to help you get the peg out. All right, just be sure you don't lose the peg. And we're just going to unravel the string. And you will find the corresponding string from your pack of new strings. And we'll take that out. So the next step is reattaching the bottom of the string. So if you look at the end of it, you'll see that the end has a little loop on it. Now we're going to take the end of the new string and use the pin to secure it into the hole. Now that the string is attached by the peg at the bottom, we can start to attach it to the top. And we're going to do that by feeding it through the hole next to its corresponding tuning peg. Now that our string is fed through, we can grab our peg winder and start winding. And the direction that you're going to want to wind it is as if you're tightening the string. Now that you've finished winding your string, you can cut the extra part off with your wire cutters. Now that we finished changing the first string, we're going to move on to the next one. We're going to loosen it like we did to the first one and take the peg out. And we'll unwind it. And get our new string. Once we get our new string, we're going to insert the end in and secure it with the peg again, just like last time. And pull it and make sure it's secure. And we'll take the end of the string and feed it through. Now that the string is through, we can start to wind it with the peg winder just like we did for the first one. Now that we've finished winding the next string, we can cut the rest off just like we did for the first one. To change the rest of your strings, you'll do exactly what you did for the first two. And once you finish changing all of them, make sure to give your guitar a good tune and you're ready to go. Thanks so much for watching. See you later.